I have a 2021 GMC Sierra where the rear bumper was actually pushed quite a bit into that body panel there. We are actually able to successfully repair this using the paintless dent repair method. To get this bumper back into position, we actually had to use some hydraulics from the backside to shift some of the bracketry and release some of the pressure that was put on this bedside, and then repair the dent. And you can see we've got it, the metal basically laid somewhat flat. Still has a lot of choppiness, but that's just because it was such a severe impact. But we were able to get back there and kind of manipulate from the inside and outside of the panel, bringing the metal back to its original factory shape. And you can see the results are factory, and we didn't affect anything about this vehicle in the process of repairing it, and it remains 100% original. Very low mileage vehicle, and this customer wanted to retain the original factory paint finish on it, and we were able to do that with the paintless dent repair method. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you on the next one.